comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on, pretending day by day that somewhere is to make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth in our love's all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a prize a day, so let's start living. There's our choice we make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day. It's just you and me. Send in your heart, so they don't let someone kiss, and their lives will be stronger and free. There's God who's showing us by turning stone to bread, and so we all must lend a helping hand.